Well, welcome back. We're gonna start working on the truck again today. Finally, been out cleaning up, cleaning up this out here. Had a little party out here and it was kind of a mess, and now it's middle of the afternoon on a Saturday and finally got this fairly well cleaned up. I guess they're talking about storms coming in again. And what's the dog doing here? We're talking about thunderstorms coming, and there was some to the, actually down to the south and southeast of us, but look like now. Anyway, let's get back in here to the truck. Let's see, where are we? We're working on the passenger door. I'm not sure where I left off before, like usual. And I'm also trying out a new camera, so we're going to see how this works as far as lighting goes. Looks like it might be a little dark, but we'll see how it goes. I think I showed you the driver's door. Yeah, I know I did. I did done. Passenger door. Last weekend, I got it cut out. Well, the outside skin is tack welded on down here, and now I'm ready to cut the inside to fit and match up with the outside, and then get that sucker back on the truck. I did manage to get a new inside door panel. I pulled one of those off of a truck because of, I don't know if you can see it. Get out of the light here. Right there, there's a clip, not a clip, little tab right there at the screw that goes through here. Screws into. I managed to break that off. As you can tell, this door panel, well, there's no cushion left to it right there. It has a lot of wear. It kind of needs to be replaced anyway. So I picked one up out of, I think it was a Bronco, but identical to this one. So I'll get that put on. And then I also got, well, on the other side, I think this broke on the other side. Anyway, I got one of these covers for over on the other side too. Pretty sure I need it, I can't remember. So that's what we're doing today. Like I said, the outside's tack welded on, so I can move it around a little bit to make everything fit together. We're gonna cut this. So we'll be cutting it way down in here to match everything up. This actually fits inside this, you can see it, this outer lip. We'll hammer and dolly this outer lip up around this to make it fit real snug, and then we'll weld her together. And after I get done welding it together, I'm going to use, ouch, use this stuff, this rust bullet. You can see that either. Perhaps I need to get a light on my camera. I have to see how this turns out. But this is the stuff that I'm using. Any bare metal I have, that's going on it. It says you can put body filler and so forth right over the top of it. Sand it, whatever, so that's what we're doing. We'll see how it turns out. What are you doing, doggy? You look guilty. Rather hot out today. It's about 2,000 degrees, I think. It's pretty warm. About 90. We're not used to this, I can tell you that. Summer has been slow coming. But anyway, that's where we sit right now, and I'm gonna get busy on that sucker. Unless I run onto something else that's going to slow me down today. And I will be back with you in a few minutes. Okay, I thought I'd bring you back in and show you what we got done so far. What I've got done so far. Looks like this is going to line up pretty darn good. And I measured off of the other door, and dimensions look like they're right on. I was concerned with when I cut this outside piece here that I got it just right. I didn't want the door being too long or too short. And it looks like everything is measuring up just right where it's supposed to. This is going to fit up real nice. I got a little bit of trimming and stuff to do down here to make all of this up here fit together. And then over on this side, yeah, that's not quite good yet. I gotta do some trimming over here, and I'm not sure how much here I'm gonna have to take down. Maybe not any once I get this trimmed away a little bit. Find out here momentarily. But that's what's going on with that. Not difficult, just you gotta take your time. This is the first project like this I've ever taken on, and not that hard. I mean, it's kind of like a puzzle. It's just get the hang of it after a while, and so far no major screw-ups. I'm bound to have one, but so far so good. So anyway, I'm gonna get back to work, but I thought I'd show you how things are sitting so far. So talk to you after a while. Okay, well, it's the next day. I didn't get near as far on this as I had hoped. I was working on this till 10 o'clock last night. Managed to take a couple of breaks and so forth, and look who's coming. Moxie dog. Anyway, you're not here to look at my dog. Not really close to being done with this either. I've got this inner door panel welded to this inner door panel. Pretty much. I got a pretty big gap here that I'm going to have to jump across. So that'll be fun. Got this weld pretty well done, ground down. A little pinhole there and there, a couple down here to fill in, and then this side down here I got a little gap there to jump to. Not extremely critical. I can probably put some seam seal on that and be okay, but I'm going to try to weld that all up. Then I'll flip the door over, weld up that other side, and then I'll come down here and hammer and dolly this lip up over the top of that. And I don't know if I need to weld that all the way down or not. I don't think I'm going to. I don't think they do from the factory. You know, like the factory, what they do is, you can kind of see it over here. You know, there's a spot weld right there. And the rest of this, I don't know what they do. I don't know if it's, you know, they said they have spot weld. There's a spot weld there, spot weld up there. I don't know if the rest of it is just glued down or exactly what they do. So I may just seam seal the whole damn thing and call it good. I hate to go welding on this whole thing too much and take a risk at warping it and then having just causing myself more work. But anyway, that's where I am right now. I'm gonna get started welding this thing. Sounds like I have some birds on the other side of my wall here that I need to get rid of. I think Moxie's gonna take a nap or play with her toy. Anyway, I'm gonna get to work, so see you later, dog, and I will bring you guys back hopefully soon, and I'll have this welded up and ready to go. I'd like to get this back on the truck today. I'm not sure if that's going to happen. Not sure if I should, 'cause I'm going to have to paint this sucker too. Decisions. Anyway, that's where I am today, right now, at the moment. I'll bring you back when I have more done. See you pretty soon. Bye.